What's going on, my people? I'm back with another new video today. I am back with another great update today. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about a crucial update we need to pay attention to, right? This very update is very important, and whenever you're watching this very video, it is just a reminder for you to get mining and get mining fast, right? Because this project, they are here to play, right? This project is cooking something really great. So I'm going to click on this very button you see right here and mine for today. So click start mining. This is basically how you mine on Gray Network. Now, if you haven't joined the Gray Network mining project, I would leave link in the video description and in the pinned comment of this very video. Do well to use my link. I would really appreciate it if you do that, just as a thank you for creating this very video for you. So where is this very update, right? I'm going to head over to Gray Network official Twitter handle right now, right? And we're going to read this very short update so you understand what this very update is talking about, right? So this update is basically talking about Gray Network halving, right? This is what the update is talking about. As you can see right now, it says the Gray Network community, right? And you can see right here that they said they have officially reached and significantly surpassed the 100,000 user milestone as outlined in their tokenomics and halving schedule. So reaching 100k users activates the next stage of our automated mining reward mechanism. So if you're familiar with Pi Network, right, and B Network and all those crypto mining projects, there is a certain milestone they attain and halving occurs, right? It's global. It's a global thing for airdrop projects, right? So the next thing they said right here is that the 100k milestone was reached some time ago, but the halving did not take effect immediately due to several system upgrades and infrastructural improvements being carried out at the time to continuously serve our esteemed community better. So during this period, the existing miners rate remained active while these upgrades were being implemented and finalized. So they said they weren't able to implement it back then because they were carrying out some upgrade and doing some important stuff at the back end. So but right now they are going to carry out the halving, right? So with the necessary improvement now in place, the 100k halving will take effect on 1st of September 2026. So you have to take note of that, right? 1st of September, the halving is going to take place in accordance with the established halving mechanism and published schedule, right? So please take note of this. And what they mean by the halving is that currently we are mining 0.5 gray per hour. So by 1st of September, everyone would start mining 0.25 gray per hour. Let me show you what I'm talking about, right? So this is the Gray Network app right here, and you can see right here that the total mining rate right now is 0.50 gray per hour. So by 1st of September, this is going to reduce to 0.25 per hour. Those of us who are already familiar with crypto know what I am talking about, right? And let's head back to the update right now so you can see something important again. So right here they also said that the sign up or invite bonus is going to reduce to 25. Currently, if you invite someone, you get 50 gray, right? But by the time this halving occurs, which is on 1st of September, you would only be able to get 25 gray. And this goes on, right? For each halving, the reward for invites also reduce, right? They work together. So both rewards will be reduced by 50% as defined by the Gray Network halving mechanism. So this is a system that has been put in place. This is the structure of the Gray Network mining project. So thank you for continuing to mine, build, and grow with the Gray Network. And if you look at here, this is the picture, right? This picture simply illustrates the halving mechanism, right? And you can see at 1k people were able to mine 1 gray comfortably, and then we moved to 10k and we were able to mine 0.5 gray. So when it got to 100k, it reduced to 0.25 gray. Now if you've seen this, you are still very early, right? Listen to me and listen to me very carefully. You are still very early, and if you don't hop in at this point, you'll be the biggest loser. Even at 0.125, you are still very early, right? So it gets a bit hard at 0.0625, but if you know what you're doing, you have the community, you can still get in and you mine something out of it. So they say the earlier the better, right? So you can see it also reduces at this very point. So there are certain points we get to, which is 1 million, 10 million, and 10 million plus, and the halving occurs. So this is basically what you need to know about this very update. And this guys just introduced the marketplace, which I talked about in my previous video. right? In my last video about green network, I already explained how the marketplace works. And if you don't know what this marketplace entails or what the green network team have in store for us, then you might want to go watch that video, right? What that video is very important, right? So you get to understand what this marketplace is all about, right? And apart from the mining, one beautiful thing I love about this app is that it has a dual reward system. Green network has a dual reward system. What do I mean by dual reward system? Aside the mining right here, right, you also get to earn gray simply for being active, right? A double reward, right? For every day you mine the gray token, right? If this very time right here hits 0, 24 hours from the time it hits 0, if you're able to click this mine button again, you would enter the daily sequence, which is day 2. But if for 24 hours you don't click the button, even if you have reached day 7, you would return to day 1. So if you miss a day, which is 24 hours period, you will return to day 1. But if you don't miss a day, you continue mining and you continue to complete this very sequence right here. You keep mining this very token. So I just clicked on complete sequence right now, and you can see I am checking in, and this is going to show completed in no time. So sequences day 2 is claimed that I just claimed 2 gray. Now if you reach day 7 right here, you're going to earn about 8 gray, I think. If you don't miss a day, you keep claiming, it will remain at day 7 from my experience, right? But that might have changed, I don't really know, but just keep doing your thing, keep mining this very project. Now before I leave you, I just want to say it is important to follow me on my Twitter handle, which is Danpatcrypto, which I would also leave in the pinned comment just below the Green Network invite code. It is very important you follow me so that you get to receive some of these very updates, right? Because there are updates that are best written in text due to the lack of time. We would not be able to create a video for it, so it's best to follow me on my socials so you'll be able to get those updates as fast as possible. So this is it. We have come to the end of this very video. If this is your first time, do well to subscribe, and most importantly, turn your notification bell on. If there's any question you have about the Green Network mining project, do well to leave them in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.